welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here at the Old Trafford. It's the fourth test match. The series is wide open. Scales could tip any side. Will it be an England that takes the series away, or will it be India making a comeback in the series? It could be anything. It could go either way. But right now the biggest concerns, apart from the Indian camp being hit by injuries one after the other, the main concern is obviously the weather, and you can tell by the way that my frame is moving right now that there's a lot of wind here in Manchester right now. I've been here for the past week, and in the past week I think we have only seen one good day of good sunlight, Manchester being warm. Apart from that, it's been pretty heavy rain throughout the day. It is very fickle, the weather is very fickle. But let's talk about the 5 days of the test match. Now, starting from day one, I've closely monitored the weather predictions, and the Manchester Met Department, or the Greater Manchester Met Department, is pretty accurate. When we talk about the first few days that I was here, I think it was 18th or 19th, that's when a thunderstorm warning was there. A moderate thunderstorm warning had come onto my phone. I checked it on the Met Department app, and it was pretty true, and even the hours were very, very accurate. That has been the case in the past few days as well. But when we talk about the match days, you don't have much to worry about. Now let me be clear, this video is being shot a few hours, or let's say a day before, in the evening of the day before, on the match eve, let's say that, on the match eve. And the pitch is covered at the moment. Obviously the hovercraft is there, the squares of the pitch have been covered. And it's been raining all day. India had to practice indoors. England had to practice indoors. So really there was no respite from the rain. But when it comes to the match days, starting with day one, it is sunny. It is going to be sunny, and from what I've read on the app so far, or on the Met Department website so far, is that it's going to be sunny with intervals of overcast in the late morning. So there are 10 to 20% of chance of precipitation, which is not much at all. And knowing that the Met Department is saying the day is going to be sunny, you can expect a full day to happen. On day two, it's quite similar. There is going to be no rain. The only chances of precipitation we have are 10 to 20%, which is again not much at all. So you can trust this weather app or the Met Department at this point. As you can tell, it's starting to clear out behind me as well. There's not much grey over there, but there are specks of blue coming out now. There is a bit of sunlight. So when we talk about the match days, I do not think you have anything to worry about now. I'm only giving you the prediction of the first 2 days because it is Manchester, it is England after all, and anything could happen at any point. But going by the Met Department, going by what the website and the app has been saying, and it has been pretty accurate for the past week that I have been here. So going by that, the first 2 days, expect to see a full day of game happening, a full day of cricket action happening. We'll be back soon, very soon, so don't forget to join us, and don't also forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.